If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you.
Dahil kinasal pa lang kayo nitong mga nakaraan, nandito ang inyong mga ninang! Palakpakan
I
nyo!
hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas, I don't know what to do.
Ayan na po mga biyaya, mga kaibigan, palakpakan na naman natin! Everybody, let's sing! Everybody, come on!
Most of the times I think I'll make it through, but all that it takes is one image of you and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows. It hurts just a little when I'm with my friends and we drink till dawn. So I can't remember how it would feel to wake up in that bed right beside you. All of the memories I try to erase just 'cause back when I'm sober I see that face and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows because it shivers. It's cold and it's dark without you in my arms. Yeah, it shivers, it hurts.
Sabay-sabay! I love you, kumare! They say you, Carla! Diyos ko, sinasamba ka na gano'n kasanto dyan. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time with energy, palakpakan naman isa, yaman! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Gusto ko yung wish mo para kay Carla. Kasi palagi ka nag-wish. Anong wish mo para kay Carla?
Mas maging successful pa siya sa kanyang gustong maabot, which is yung pagiging nurse. And pangalawa, kung hindi man yun, sa pagiging content creator. Yun lang.
At sa pagiging may bahay ni Jomar. Ay, ikaw, anong wish mo kay Kuya Ram?
Yun po, palakasin lang siya parati ni God. Then, isurround siya ng mga tao, mabubuti. Yun lang po. Tsaka, magandang pangangatawan.
At kasama ka na doon. Huwag ka mag-alala yung pangangatawan. Alam niya na yan. Ka-gym lang niya kanina. Sige. Blow the candle! Ay, bongga na yung candle mo! Palakpakan!